I felt when I saw Pirates fans expressing their anger at the way Pirates were losing. I mean, they lost back-to-back matches in the beginning of the season, which is quite rare. But this is actually the second time it happens. It happened before in 2008, 2009 season. No, 2007, 2008 season. That's when Pirates registered 0 points after 2 games. So it's not something new for Pirates to go 2 games without a win. That's why I didn't understand the panic. But at the same time, I also understood where Pirates fans were coming from. And I'll talk about it. So in 2008, 2009, Pirates got 1 point after 2 games. So it happens. But I know that Pirates usually gets like 4 points. So usually the first game is either a draw or a win. The second game is a draw or a win. Usually it's 4 points. We're averaging 4 points, Pirates, in the beginning of the season with regard to 2 games, first 2 games. But this time around, Pirates got 0 points. So are we headed for a record 3 league games without a win? Talking about 2008, 2009 season, that's when this jersey, it reminds me of Teko Modise. I don't know what about you. When you look at this jersey, which player comes to mind when you see this? No, I nearly said Bafana Bafana. I mean, Pirates is Bafana Bafana. No. Uh, this Pirates jersey, it reminds me of Teko Modise, and that's when the coach that went all the way to win a treble in the name of Ruth Kroll was taking charge. When he took charge, Ruth Kroll in 2008, 2009 season, he went 2 games, only got 1 point, and that was considered bad, by the way. But then Pirates recovered, man, recovered. So they went all the way, 18 games unbeaten. So that record saved them to finish second during that season. 2015, 2016, it happened after Eric Tinkler just took Orlando Pirates to the Champions League Confederations Cup final. And then when he returned, I think the results were not coming forth, and he was fired. And Pirates also didn't have a good start to that season.